want to bring in Rakesh Bedi, who is actually a part of Dhurandhar. He's joining us now as an actor. He has worked in the film. First up, Rakesh Bedi, congratulations. What a blockbuster you've delivered. I haven't seen the film, but there are people on this panel who can't talk, stop talking about it. Komal Nahata said, I saw the film, I knew it would be a blockbuster. In terms of sequence of events, how, you've portrayed a time period, how well researched was it, Rakesh, when, the film was, when you sat on workshops, mannerism, time periods, events, how well were they corroborated?
I think it's conceived by the director Aditya Dhar. He only wrote it, conceived it. I or all the actors for that matter came at a very later stage because he was writing this film. But I can tell you one thing today. I mean, through your medium, that I did a film with him called Uri, the surgical strikes of Uri. So in that, I had a very small piece. Only one scene I had, and it went off very well. And I don't know what transpired into Aditya after seeing that, after the shooting of that film. He immediately came to me. I mean, it was supposed to be a one shift scene, and we could both together finish it in 2.5 hours in Serbia. So he came to me and put his hand on my shoulder and said, Rakesh ji, I'm going to pay you back for what you did for me today. So, because I almost did it free of cost for him, that film, almost. And I- and then last year he called me up. He said, Rakesh, you remember I told you I'll pay you back for it? I said, yeah. He said, I'm doing it now. So he just said that it's a very beautiful part in this film. He gave me an outline. I won't say that what the outline is because that outline also contains the part of the second half which is yet to come. so I won't so I won't say that what I'm doing in the other half. But um, in the recent times, I don't think any one of us, not only me, anybody from the film fraternity has tasted such success, such kind of adulation, such raving, I'm going to say involvement into the film, not only in India, anywhere in the world. एंड ये मैंने पहली बार देखा है कि एक हिंदी फिल्म जो 3.5 घंटे की है, जिसको 3.5 घंटे पहले अरे यार कौन बैठेगा यार, ये पहला रिएक्शन ये आता है। लेकिन एक हफ्ते के अंदर लोगों ने 3-3 बार देख ली है। ये तो बहुत अनयूजुअल बात है, रियली। और जहाँ तक मेरी तैयारी की बात है, यस आई वर्कड ऑन इट। आई मेड माय नोट्स ऑन सम लॉट ऑफ पाकिस्तानी मिनिस्टर्स, हाउ दे स्पीक। आई रोट देयर ट्रांसक्रिप्ट्स, रोट देम विद माय ओन हैंड, रोट देम एंड देन मैंने आवाज़ कल्टीवेट की और उसको एक पर्टिकुलर मिनिस्टर को मैंने इम्पर्सनेट किया। एंड आई रिमेंबर वन वन डे
कौन से
आई
पर्टिकुलर मिनिस्टर को आपने फॉलो किया कि मैनरिज्म सीख लेते हैं?
अब बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वो मेरा लुक है नबील गबोल के साथ मिल रहा है, जो वहाँ के मंत्री हैं। तो बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं ऐसा, और नबील गबोल खुद भी बोल रहे हैं कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया, अभी मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ। तो तो one day I was going in the car with my wife, and the shooting was just around the corner. So I was going again and again into my, the voice kind of things that I have recorded, and I was hearing it, over and over again to just get into that mood. तो मेरी बीवी मेरे बगल में बैठी हुई थी, तो बोले क्या कर रहे हो यार, आधे घंटे से आप एक सुने जा रहे हो एक आदमी के, कौन है ये, कौन है बोलता जा रहा है घटिया सी उर्दू, क्या कौन है ये? मैंने कहा यार ये मेरी आवाज है। तो बोले
Well, that's a
so,
job
so,
well done, Rakesh ji, I must say. But
yeah.
Rakesh ji, while you were making this film, you were a part of the film. Did you ever imagine that this would be the storm? The film is done superbly well; it's a blockbuster. But did you think that this could be the storm that it would create, or the
See,
divide that it's created?
I'll tell you why we all felt that. We knew that it will be good, but this good, nobody can judge anything about any film. हर फिल्म की अपनी, हमारे यहाँ बोलते हैं कुंडली होती है, हर फिल्म की अपनी कुंडली होती है। तो वो इसकी भी है। लेकिन एक बात मैं कहूंगा कि जब इसका नरेशन दिया गया, तो उस नरेशन में एवरी एक्टर वाज देयर। जो जितने आप पर्दे पे एक्टर देख रहे हैं, सब थे, सब एचओडीज थे, may it be camera, may it be costumes or sound or whatever it is, sets, everybody was there from every department, and a huge hall in a five-star hotel had been booked because to accommodate so many people, and it was an audio visual kind of a narration that was given with fake uh, you can say scenes created, not locations created, fake people created, actors created on screen कि ये ऐसे करेगा, ये ऐसे करेगा, और वो नरेशन थी कोई 3 साढ़े 3 घंटे की, और सब एक्टर वहां बैठे थे, एक आदमी नहीं हिला, एक आदमी नहीं हिला, और लंच ब्रेक भी हमने कोई उसके बाद ही किया, कुछ 4 साढ़े 4 बजे, बिकॉज टाइम नहीं मिला, एंड एवरीबडी वाज ग्लूड टू द नैरेटिव, द वे इट वाज गिवन, कोई थी कि किरदार बनने जा रहा है। लेकिन अब कैसा बनेगा वो तो लगने के बाद ही मालूम पड़ता है और बनने के बाद ही मालूम पड़ता है।
Ji. Rakesh ji, I wish you all the best for Dhurandhar 2 and revel and enjoy the success of Dhurandhar. You know, it's clearly caused a storm in a good way for you. But thank you for taking the time out and joining us in India today.